Hi, Beck. Thanks for sending your question to SnapMath. So this is a word problem that we have to come up with some expressions to create an equation. So it says Jackson, Petra, and Tyrone went to the beach and collected seashells over the weekend. Jackson collected S amount of seashells. So I'm going to stop right there. And as you can see, I wrote in the top left, S represents Jackson. And then it says Jackson, and then it says Petra and Tyrone each collected 13 fewer than twice the number Jackson collected. So as you can see, I have 13 fewer than twice the number Jackson collected. So that's why it's 2s, because 2s represents twice Jackson minus 13, which is 13 fewer than twice Jackson collected. And that was for Petra and Tyrone. So now we have to create our equation. And the last line says, at the end of the weekend, they collected 94 seashells. So how many seashells did each person collect? So what I'm going to do is here's our equation, S, which represents Jackson, plus Petra's, plus Tyrone's, equals 94. Does that make sense? So we have Jackson's amount, Petra's amount, and Tyrone's amount. All right. So now what we do is we just combine like terms. So I see I have it S, 2s, and 2s again. So that's going to give me 5s. And then negative 13 and negative 13 will give me negative 26 equals 94. And then I add 26 to each side. These 26's cancel out, and this will equal 120. And then we divide by 5 on each side. And then our answer will be 24. Okay, so now we can go back. So Jackson is going to be 24 seashells. Now we have to find Petra and Tyrone. They will be the same, and it'll be very easy. The only thing to do is plug in S into the S's into their expressions. So it'll be 2 times 24 minus 13. This will be 48 minus 13, and that will be 35. So each of these guys had 35. And then if you always want to triple check everything, you can add them all up. 35 plus 35 is 70 plus 24. And if you do that math, you get 94. All right, thanks for sending your question and have a great night.